Thinking about starting a business, but not sure where to begin? Or maybe you're curious about entrepreneurship, but not ready to fully commit? That's exactly where PathFinder AI Business Idea Explorer comes in. It's a smart, interactive tool designed to help you explore your entrepreneurial path, step by step, without pressure. Let's see how it works. First, go to the website, pathfinderai.net. Once you're there, head over to the Features Overview section and click on Business Idea Explorer. Scroll down and click on the button. Take me to the Business Idea Explorer. Now, you'll begin a short and insightful journey. The tool will ask you a few simple questions to understand you better. First, what interests you most about entrepreneurship? Select the one option that best matches your thoughts. Second, how do you prefer to learn and grow? Choose the option that fits your learning style. Third, how much time can you dedicate to exploring business ideas? Pick the option that reflects your availability. Fourth, what's your biggest concern about entrepreneurship? Maybe it's financial risk, fear of failure, or something else. Choose honestly. Fifth, what motivates you to explore entrepreneurship? Is it financial freedom, creativity, or personal growth? And finally, where do you see yourself in your entrepreneurial journey? Select the option that best describes your current stage. Once you've answered all the questions, click on Get Personalized Guidance. Give it a few seconds. And just like that, you'll receive your customized entrepreneurial guidance. You'll discover what drives you, what suits you best, and how you can move forward at your own pace. You can even download or print your summary, making it easy to plan your next steps. No pressure, no confusion, just clarity and direction. So, if you're ready to explore your potential and take your first step into entrepreneurship, this tool is the perfect place to start. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more amazing AI tools.